What's up guys? It's me esrielladesma, ang pobre nga hilas. Yes, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In my channel, we're talking about skincare product reviews, and my personal experience here in Saudi Arabia. Yes guys, and today's video, it is a continuation video. My previous video, ano daw? Nag-review po tayo a while ago, kanina, na about the Dr. Belmore ng Face Shop. Yes, and this is a continuation. Meron po tayong idadagdag, which is ang product from the Nature Republic, ang Snail. Yuck! Product review for our Snail Solution Hydrogel Mask. Yes, guys. Actually, una ko nakita at nalaman ko na pwede pala ang snail sa mukha nung nagkaroon ng Miss Universe sa Thailand. Kasi parang may farm silang visit and na-feature doon si Katrina na about this. The mucus of the snail is, ano pala siya, pwede pala siya sa mukha. Yeah. Yes. And there are some YouTubers and there are some spa in part of, you know na, America siguro, yes, na mismo yung snail ang pinapadaan sa inyong mga mukha, sa kanilang mga mukha pala, yes. And I feel that it's so weird, the kind of facial. I never tried that before. I wish that I could. Might be I need to visit Thailand for that. But since I'm poor and I can't afford to travel far, yes, so nakita ko ang snail na fish mask. Actually, para matry natin kahit sa mask lang. Wag lamang yung buhay na kumakalat talaga sa ating mukha. And by the way guys, I want to announce talaga, may-ari ng Nature Republic. The Nature Republic this week in Saudi Arabia, nagkaroon po sila ng sale for their mask. Yes, in this piece, one piece is 30 riyals. But if you will buy 5 pieces, 5 sheet mask, yes guys, ano na lang siya, 39 riyals. Yes, nahulog siya na ang bawat isa ay ano ba, bright tigugma 8 riyals, 7.5 or something like that. So, bale, sa 39 riyals ninyo ay magkakaroon na po kayong 5 mask. So, hurry and go and visit Dern Mall, gate number 3. Nag-promote. Oy, baka naman, Nature Republic. Nag-promote agad. So, walang putupig-tupig pa. Ang daming undal-dal, guys. Yes, so let's try this. Let's open this one. And by the way guys, naglagay na po ito ng toner sa ating mukha. Parang siya, ang amoy niya guys is parang yung yung amoy ng tea tree ng St. Ives. Yes, ganun siya. Refreshing and mild. And ito yung unang nakuha natin. And same as before, dalawang coating niya. Yes, black, chuchu. This is for our ganon upper part. Oh, ang lamig niya guys, ang lamig. Maghihintay na lang po tayo. Inayos ko po siya. And makalipas ng 20 minutes, tapos na po. Tatanggalin na natin. Same as before guys, yung mga gilid-gilid ng gilid-gilid ng mask na to, masakit siya dito. Masakit talaga siya, ganun siguro talaga ang hydrogel mask. Yes, 10 to 5 minutes ay tapos na. And this is only one way use, hindi na po siya pwedeng gamitin sa susunod. Yes, and sa taas I feel that parang ang bouncy ng ano. Bouncy. Yes, guys! Hala! Bouncy yung skin mo, guys. Bouncy? Ano ba yung term nila dyan? Kasi kung sa muffin pa to fluffy. Fluffy, yes. Ayan, oh. Nagbabounce siya. Tingnan natin bukas kung ano talaga magiging yan. So, guys, yung natirang serum dito, ilalagay natin sa ating mukha. Yes, gana. Halukay talaga. Para walang masayang. Okay. Yung liig. So far, ito po yung result niya. Ay, ang ganda niya sa skin talaga, guys. Sobrang soft. Yes. Pero, slimy talaga siya something. Siguro talaga sa mucus of the snail. And by the way, according to the scientists and according to sa mga nagsistudy about the snail contains the mucus of the snail or yung mga laway-laway nila contains peptide and hyaluronic acid na nagpapaganda ng kutis, nagpapabata. The peptide will penetrate your skin to improve the elasticity. Yes, the elasticity of your skin para magiging firm. And on the other hand, ang hyaluronic acid is yan naman yung nagpapaputi, yes, ng ating balat. Yes. And a good combination to fight aging. So guys, I wish that meron naman kayong katawa-tawa. Yes. So guys, I wish that meron na naman tayong kunting nalalaman dito sa snail product ng The Nature Republic. Yes, guys. And thank you for watching my videos again. Thank you so much. Huwag mahiya mag-comment down below. Any comment, a violent reaction, bash, or whatsoever. I will promise you that I will shout out you to my next vlog, or to my next video. Yes, guys, thank you so much, and bye-bye! Yes, guys, good morning, and kakagising ko lang po, and I am not disappointed with the result of our mask, the snail mask. I feel that my face is quite tighter than before. Yes, guys, tignan nyo. And it's a bouncy feeling something. Bouncy, and you know, nakita nyo yan, parang ang bouncy ng skin, and I feel na parang banda dito sa eyes mo na area is nagka-tight. Parang siyang humihigpit. Nahihigpitan. Char. So far, so good. Nature Republic snail mask. Maganda.